Hi, this is Froggy from Froggy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Denver roasted green chili verde. Recipe from my oldest son out of Denver. I improvised, got a couple of surprises. Key is roast all your peppers and make an incredible salsa verde that you will not soon forget. Get your pork cut in bite-sized pieces, whatever pork you want. It could be pork shoulder, but it's whatever you like. Brown it on all sides first, and then set aside. After you have done that, get all of your other ingredients ready so that you can add to this. It takes a bit of patience, but the results are well worth the wait. The pork has been marinating in just salt and garlic for about 3 hours. Then you saute the onions, the peppers, the jalapenos, the diced tomatoes, garlic. Make sure it's nicely diced. You don't want to burn it, however. Then you can salt to taste, but be careful with the salt. And then at the end, you put some cilantro and get ready for the magic to happen. As I said, when you saute this, don't saute it on a very hot heat because it'll just burn the onions and the peppers and the tomatoes. You want it to just slowly add all your ingredients, and then at this stage you can add the cumin and the oregano, stir, and then get ready to add the pork to it. The pork by this time has not been completely cooked. It'll continue to cook once you add all of your other ingredients and start simmering it. Cannot stress enough that the cumin and the oregano are very important. Some people like to add more cumin than I have. I just added about a tablespoon of each oregano and a tablespoon of cumin to it. The smell is just incredible at this stage. Anyway, one secret item that I have introduced additionally is the use of about a half a pound of Mexican spicy chorizo. It dissolves pretty quickly into the rest of the chile verde, but it does add some flavor, a little layering of flavor that sets your stew apart from most of the other ones. At this point, just get the peppers completely mixed with all the vegetables. About 10-15 minutes. Then here's where the key ingredient of the homemade roasted chile verde salsa comes in play. You cannot stress enough the roasting of your peppers. It gives a flavor that is unmistakable. Then you add the chicken stock, add just the salt to taste, and let it simmer for about 3 hours. And boy, what an experience. Add all your liquid at this stage and let simmer for about 3 hours. Sometimes you can put it on the stovetop to simmer, but I put it in the oven at about 225 degrees and let it simmer in there slowly for about 3 hours, roughly. You can enjoy it over rice, over chips, or just by itself. But please subscribe and like. I'm trying to add some subscribers to my channel. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you enjoyed the results. Thank you.